Welcome back to Arch Zenith. Hey there, space shapers and urban dwellers. Have you ever looked around your apartment and felt the walls literally closing in? That crushing moment when you bring home a new plant and realize you've just triggered a spatial crisis. You're not alone. In cities worldwide, we're trading square footage for location, community, and convenience. But what if I told you that your tiny home isn't a limitation? It's the most exciting design brief you'll ever get. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're ditching the clutter, panic, and diving into the unexpected design solutions that aren't just about saving space, but about expanding how you live, work, and feel within it. This isn't just tiny living. This is spatial hacking for the soul. Stick around, because we're about to turn small into sensational. Segment 1. The philosophy of fluid space. Killing the room mentality. Forget everything you know about traditional rooms. The first non-negotiable rule for transforming urban microspaces is to embrace the concept of fluid, multisensory zones. We're moving past open plan into what trend forecasters are calling neuroaesthetic design. Design that literally shapes how your brain perceives space. It's not one big room. It's a choreographed experience. This means your design decisions are less about walls and more about cues, light, texture, sound, and elevation changes that subconsciously tell you, this is now the dining zone, or this is the wind-down corner. So, how do we physically create these zones without building walls? It's all about layered flexibility. Think of a Japanese shoji screen, but reimagined for 2026. We're using modular, acoustic sliding panels that double as art or planting walls. We're defining areas with strategic lighting pools from adjustable, smart track systems. Bright, cool light for the work zone. Warm, low light for the lounge. We're using texture underfoot. A woven rug for the cozy seating area. Polished micro-cement for the kitchen pathway. The space feels different because you've engaged multiple senses, not just your sense of sight. The psychological payoff is huge. This fluidity reduces visual clutter, the single biggest stressor in small spaces. Your brain isn't overwhelmed by everything at once. When your work zone is visually put away at 6 p.m. by simply changing the lighting and closing a screen, you achieve mental separation that apartments twice the size struggle with. You've not just designed a studio, you've designed a day. That's the power of intentional spatial sequencing, and it's the ultimate hack for urban sanity. Segment 2. The verticality revolution and the illusion of more. We all look at the floor. The true visionary looks at the walls, the ceiling, and the very air between. Our second game-changing principle is aggressive vertical integration. This goes beyond shelves. We're engineering the entire vertical plane to be a dynamic, functional shell. The trending keyword here is biomorphic built-ins, custom storage and furniture that flows up the wall in organic, curvilinear forms, eliminating harsh corners and making the architecture feel like a living, breathing partner. Imagine a sculptural wall element that starts as a solid plinth for your sofa, flows upward to become a bookshelf, then arcs across the ceiling as a gentle curve that houses ambient lighting and acoustic damping, before descending on the other side of the room as a folding desk and integrated wardrobe. This single, continuous piece solves a dozen problems. It provides massive, hidden storage, defines zones, improves sound, adds softness, and draws the eye upward, creating that priceless feeling of volume. We're also using AI-assisted spatial planning tools, a huge search term right now, to model these complex elements in VR before a single piece is built, ensuring every centimeter earns its keep. But verticality isn't just about cabinets. It's about life. Vertical ecosystems are exploding in popularity. Hydroponic wall gardens that grow herbs and clean your air, living moss art that boosts humidity, or even terrarium columns. This isn't just decor. It's vital biophilic design that connects you to nature when you can't have a yard. By layering greenery upward, you create a living tapestry that feels abundant and alive, completely shifting the focus from what's missing to what's thriving. Your wall isn't a boundary. It's your garden, your library, and your closet, all working in beautiful, breathable harmony. Segment 3. Psychological expanders. The magic of perception and micro-luxury. Finally, let's talk magic tricks, design illusions that hack your perception. This is where tiny homes become truly poetic. We're focusing on material mood boards that prioritize reflection, diffusion, and curated glimpses. A large, strategically placed mirror is obvious, but have you considered a mirrored ceiling over a dark, cozy sleeping nook to create a sense of infinite depth? Or using fluted glass cabinet fronts that hide contents but scatter light like diamonds? Materials like these don't add physical space, they multiply experiential space. Then there's the concept of micro-luxury or conscious compactness. In a vast home, luxury is excess. In a tiny home, luxury is hyper-curated perfection. It's the single, exquisite kitchen faucet you touch every day. It's the heavenly tactile feel of a single switch, the weight of a perfectly balanced door handle, the sublime comfort of a window seat cushion molded just for you. It's investing in one piece of art you adore, rather than 10 that fill walls. This philosophy aligns perfectly with the 2026 trends of mindful consumption and emotional durability. Every object has a purpose and brings joy. The space feels rich because you've chosen everything in it with love and intention, not because it's full. And let's not forget the ultimate expander, the connection to the outside. We're designing seamless thresholds. This means floor-to-ceiling doors that pocket away entirely, turning a balcony into an extension of your living room. It means using identical flooring inside and out, and continuing your vertical garden element from the interior wall right onto the terrace. When the boundary dissolves, your living area instantly doubles. You've designed for the weather, for the light, for the city view. You've brought the urban energy into your narrative. Your home isn't an isolated box. It's an engaged perch in the vibrant heartbeat of the city. So, what's the takeaway? Transforming a small urban space isn't a compromise. It's a masterclass in creative, human-centric design. It's about fluid zones over rigid rooms, vertical ecosystems over wasted air, and perceptual magic over mere square footage. It's designing for how you want to feel: expansive, calm, connected, and deeply, personally enriched. If this sparked any ideas for your own space, hit that like button. It helps us create more content like this. Which of these solutions are you most excited to try? The biomorphic built-ins or the seamless thresholds? Scream at me in the comments below. And if you're ready for a deeper dive, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't just live small, live brilliantly. See you in the next one.